Hello, learners. Welcome back to our daily one word series where one word a day makes your English stronger and smarter. Namaste to all my gadgeted officers, doctors, surgeon, IAS, IPS. In today's session, we will explore one more powerful word along with its synonyms, antonyms, and some interesting idioms and phrases related to it. This way, with just one word on a daily basis, you will expand your vocabulary many times over. My dear aspirants, always remember words are the tools of thought. Words are the tools of thought, and every new word you learn is a new door you open to success. So we are going to learn one more new words. Daily we are going to learn one word with its antonyms, synonyms. Let's dive into a new word. Word is exacerbate, meaning to make something worse, to make something worse, especially a disease or problem. Any problem you are making more worse. It is a verb. Exacerbate is a verb. बिगाड़ देना, विशेषता, रोग, समस्या को या किसी भी चीज को आप और ज्यादा बिगाड़ रहे हैं. Exacerbate. So exacerbate something is to make a bad situation more intense, more severe, making it more bad, more intense, more severe. For example, ignoring minor issue in the workplace can exacerbate them into a major problems. Other lifetime example you can use in daily lives, how stress can exacerbate symptom of anxiety. अब चिंतित है और स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं तो वो आपके समस्या को, चिंता को और बढ़ा देगा, बढ़ा सकता है. Next example sentence, how a lack of timely treatment can exacerbate a medical condition. Few example we can use it, this word exacerbate, which is verb, in a sentence in our daily conversation. For example, drinking coffee when you are already stressed will only exacerbate your feeling of anxiety. So my dear aspirants, you are always feeling, when you are feeling sleepy or you are in stress, you are drinking coffee. So it's not the way. You are exaggerating your feelings of anxiety. So, drinking coffee when you are already stressed will only exacerbate your feelings of anxiety. Next example sentence, his rude comments only serve to exacerbate the awkward tension in the room. Next example sentence, failing to repair a small leak in the roof can exacerbate the damage, leading to extensive water damage later on. Next example sentence, the excessive noise from the construction outside seemed to exacerbate her headache. और सिर दर्द हो रहा था और बाहर से कंस्ट्रक्शन साइड से आवाजें आ रही थी तो वो उसके हेडेक को और बढ़ा दिया था. Exacerbate means to making something worse. बैड सिचुएशन उसको आप और बुरा कर रहे हैं. Next example sentence, the drought will exacerbate the existing water shortage in the region. So synonyms exacerbates, which is a verb to make worse, means you are aggravating anything, worsening anything, intensifying or heightened. Aggravate means to make more severe, often a problem or disease. So aggravated is a new problem. It means you are making something more severe, often a problem or a disease. Aggravate means किसी चीज को बढ़ा रहे हैं, कोई गुस्सा है आप उसको और aggravate कर रहे हैं, कुछ और आपने कुछ कमेंट करके, satirical कमेंट करके. So aggravated means to making more severe. Worsened means same, made more severe or unpleasant. Intensified means made stronger or more extreme. Heightened means increase in intensity or extent. Inflamed means to make intense or hostile. Magnified means made greater or more important. Deepened means made more profound or intense. बहुत गहरा इफेक्ट करना और आप उसको डीप कर रहे हैं, उस प्रॉब्लम को और गहरा कर रहे हैं, आप उस प्रॉब्लम को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर रहे हैं. सो मेड मोर डिफिकल्ट और कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो synonyms for exacerbate, which means to making something worse. The condition is already bad, but you are making more worse. So aggravated, worsened, intensified, heightened, inflamed, magnified, deepened, complicated. So these are the synonyms. Aggravated is a new word which means to making more severe. Antonyms means to make better, feel better, alleviated, soothed, relieved, mitigated means reducing your pain or anger or any problem. So elevated means to make a suffering deficiency or problem less severe. हल्का कर देना, कम कर देना, alleviated. Soothe means same the शांत करना, पीड़ा कम करना, to calm or relieve pain or discomfort. Relieve means to lessen the burden of something such as pain or anxiety को कम करना. Mitigate means same उसको reduce करना, कोई भी seriousness है, कोई भी pain है उसको कम करना, reduce करना. Assuage means शांत करना, to make an unpleasant feeling less intense. कुछ ऐसा जो आपको unpleasant feeling आ रही है उसको आप कम शांत कर रहे हैं. देन एमेलियोरेटेड मीन्स सुधारना, जो खराब सिचुएशन है उसको आप बेटर करें, टू मेक ए बैड सिचुएशन बेटर. इम्प्रूव्ड, मेड बेटर और मोर सेटिस्फैक्टरी. सो एंटोनिम्स क्या है? एग्जैस्परेट मीन्स टू बैड कंडीशन को वर्स कर रहे हैं, बुरा कंडीशन को और भी बुरा कर रहे हैं. एंटोनिम्स क्या हो गया? आप जो भी बुरा है उसको आप सही कर रहे हैं, आप उसको एलिविएट कर रहे हैं, सूद कर रहे हैं, रिलीव कर रहे हैं, मिटिगेट कर रहे हैं, एसेज कर रहे हैं, एमिलियोरेट कर रहे हैं, उसमें सुधार कर रहे हैं, इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं. So idioms related to exacerbate, which is a verb, add fuels to the fire. जले में नमक छिड़कना, हिंदी में कहते हैं जले में नमक छिड़कना. Add fuel to the fire. To make a bad situation worse. Example, his rude reply only added fuel to the fire, making the argument worse. Already argument हो रही थी, बातचीत डीप कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा था, दैट इज ए हॉट कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा था, और आपने कुछ ऐसा रूड रिप्लाई कर दिया, बदतमीजी कर दिया, तो जिससे कि और प्रॉब्लम बढ़ गया, एग्रीवेट हो गया. सो हीज रूड रिप्लाई ओनली एडेड फ्यूल टू द फायर, मेकिंग द आर्गुमेंट वर्स. So add fuel to the fire means making to make a bad situation worse. बुरा को और बुरा कर रहे हो, और भी बुरा कर रहे हो. So shouting at a crying child just adds fuel to the fire. Instead of pacifying the child, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? उस पर चिल्ला रहे हैं, तो वो बच्चा और भी रोएगा. So shouting at a crying child just adds fuel to the fire. Add fuel to the fire means to make a bad situation worse, to do something that increases anger or hostility, to make a conflict between become worse. Example sentence: the entire community is up in arms, and the mayor's crass comments only added fuel to the fire. Add fuel to the fire. Example sentence: they had been arguing for weeks, and their refusal to apologize only added fuel to the fire. लगातार वो एक सप्ताह से आर्ग्यू कर रहे थे, और उसके बाद उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया कि वो माफी नहीं मांगेगा, तो इससे क्या हो गया? वो समस्या और खराब हो गई, दोनों के बीच जो भी प्रॉब्लम था वो एग्रीवेट हो गया, इंक्रीज हो गया. सो दे हैड बीन आर्ग्यूइंग फॉर वीक्स, एंड देयर रिफ्यूजल टू अपोलोजाइज, नॉट रेडी टू अपोलोजाइज, टू से सॉरी, इट ओनली एडेड फ्यूल टू द फायर. So add fuel to the fire. His comments only added fuel to the fire during the argument. दो लोग झगड़ रहे हैं, और उसमें आपने कुछ ऐसा कमेंट कर दिया जो योर कमेंट ओनली एडेड फ्यूल टू द फायर ड्यूरिंग द आर्ग्यूमेंट बिटवीन योर two friends. Next, idiom related to exacerbate, rub salt into the wound. Rub salt into the wound. जले पे नमक छिड़कना, हिंदी में कहते हैं जले पे नमक छिड़कना. रब सॉल्ट इन द वुंड मीन्स टू मेक समवन्स पेन, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट और सफरिंग वर्स. ऑलरेडी वो पेन में है, निराशा में है, सफर कर रहा है, आप उसको और खराब कर रहे हैं. सो टू मेक समवन्स पेन, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट और सफरिंग वर्स. Example sentence: losing the match was bad enough, but the coach's harsh word rubbed salt into the wound. Rub salt in the wound means to someone's wound is to make a bad or painful situation worse, such as by pointing out a person's mistake or shortcomings, teasing, giving satirical remarks, or reminding them of how bad a situation is. When someone rubs salt in your wound, they make You feel worse than you did before, often deliberately. जानबूझकर वो आपको आपके जले पे नमक छिड़क रहा है, आप दुख में हैं, आप उसको और अग्रेवेट कर रहा है. So it was bad enough getting fired. You don't have to rub salt in the wound by telling me how bad I screwed up. So rubbing salt in my wound won't change what I did. Phrases related with the word exacerbates. Exacerbate the problem means example sentence means you are increasing the problem. Example sentences: his careless remarks only exacerbated the problem. Next examples phrase is exacerbate the tension means increasing the tension. Increasing the tension, अब tension को बढ़ा रहे. The delay in decision making exacerbated the tension among employees. So what we have learned, the word is exacerbate. Exacerbate. So kindly practice these words daily. We will learn one main word, related idioms and phrases, related antonyms and synonyms. So we will learn a few more words, idioms and phrases which help us in to improve our daily conversation. Kindly practice these words. Keep maintain consistency. Watch the tomorrow's word. We are going to learn again new word along with its synonyms, antonyms, related idiom and phrases.